What's up, Slumber Squad, my Slumber Squadron, my Slumber Yardigans? I'll stop with the nicknames. Today, we are going to be comparing the Allswell Luxe to the Purple Restore. This guy's sitting right next to me. So both of these brands are reputable and they offer some pretty quality beds for you to consider. You know, Purple came out with 3 different collections of beds recently and they pretty much revamped their whole lineup. And Allswell Home is a brand that's owned by Walmart and they offer some downright affordable and quality options for you as well. But when it comes down to it, why should you get either one of these mattresses and why? That's what we're going to try to determine for you in today's video. We're going to start off by going over the policies that they're backed by. Then we'll delve into the similarities between the two, kind of go over their construction, feel, firmness, pricing, kind of where they contrast and compare here. And near the end, I'll even try to sum everything up with a nice final verdict for you, so please stick around. But if you need any more information about these two beds, maybe I missed something in this review, check the description box. We should have a ton more goodies and helpful information for you to peruse down there. And if you enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the Slumber Yard for so much more so you could be a Slumber Yardigan or a Slumber Squadron member. Right, John?
Yeah.
Right.
It's an exclusive list.
Oh, it's so exclusive. Let's get right into this.
At the Slumber Yard, you know we work real hard to find the right bed for you and save you money on it.
Okay, so for starters, I should mention that we did receive the Allswell Luxe and the Purple Restore for free from either one of these brands. So we could, really get them over here at the Slumber Yard, test them out for you guys and review them. But if you decide to order either for yourself, you should be getting the following policies, starting with completely free shipping. So the Purple Restore, if it's not white glove delivered, if you don't opt for that, it's gonna arrive in a big bag, while the Allswell Luxe is gonna show up in a nice box that's around like 4 feet tall. But whether it shows up in a bag or a box, the whole unboxing process is super simple and easy to complete. It shouldn't take you any time at all, especially if you have a friend there helping you out. Now, once they're in your possession, you also get a trial period of around 100 full nights. So a little over 3 full months to test these beds out at home with your own bedding, your own, room and your own sleeping preferences and see if they're going to be right for you or not. And if they aren't for whatever reason, you can get completely free returns within that time frame, though the brands will probably ask you to try it out for at least a full month before you send it back. All they want you to do is let your body adapt to the brand new bed before you really send it back willy-nilly. Like any other brand new product, mattresses take a little bit of while to break in. If you ever get a brand new pair of shoes, you slap them on, you're like, oh, they kind of feel weird. That's just because you haven't broken them in. It's the same thing with beds. But in the case you do really want to return it after that full month, you can do so. You got 2 others to do that. But in the case you want to keep them, which is pretty much what I see a lot of people doing out there, you're probably going to lay down on these beds and find them to be quite nice. So in the case you want to keep them, they're both backed by 10-year warranties, which is pretty much the standard for online beds these days. And we should have a ton more helpful stuff related to the policies that these beds are backed by down below in the description box. So feel free to check it out. Now, in terms of similarities, jumping right into this comparison, both of these are hybrid mattresses by default, which means they use a combination of support coils on the bottom and various comfort foams above those coils for comfort. And this makes them very supportive for all body types, including much heavier people. So I'm a bigger guy. I'm a little over the range of 200 pounds and I sleep on a hybrid bed. And I do that because it just provides me a lot more long-term support and durability than an all-foam bed. I've slept on all-foam beds in the past, no shade to all-foam mattresses. A lot of people, even bigger people, prefer sleeping on all-foam beds. But just know they're likely gonna degrade on you a little bit faster over the period of several years than something like a hybrid bed will, especially for bigger people. But above those support coil units is where you're gonna start to see the main differences between these two in terms of overall design and construction. So the Allswell Luxe uses a neutral transition layer and a copper gel-infused memory foam on top, which pretty much provides it with a standard neutral foam feel, kind of a neutral hybrid feel. That memory foam on top is a little bit more responsive than something like a dense memory foam found on a Tempur-Pedic bed, so you might get a slight sinking sensation only if you're a bit heavier, but the more responsive nature of all the other elements that are used within this bed just makes it feel pretty much neutral to us. In general, if you've ever slept on a hotel mattress or a guest room bed and it just is really neutral and accommodating, that's pretty much what you're getting with the Allswell Luxe, just a no-frills mattress that's just straightforward. But with the Purple Restore, its feel is very nuanced, and that's mainly due to the transitional layer used above those coils and the Gel Flex grid that's used on top. If you didn't know about the Gel Flex grid, it's a proprietary material to Purple and it's pretty much like a rubber rather than a foam. It's really stretchy, responsive, and it somehow manages to feel soft and firm at the same time, which is pretty crazy. So when you're on your back, you kind of feel weightless, kind of like you're buoyant on the mattress, but then when you switch to your side, it conforms to the shape of your shoulders and hips nicely, offering a pretty nice amount of pressure relief. So the Restore kind of presents sleepers with more of a nuanced most unique feel. It's pretty much unlike anything that you've probably ever tried or tested on a bed. Over here at the Slumber Yard, we have talked about purple a lot, and we always find them to be really divisive. People either tend to love purple or hate it just because it is so new and adventurous. But over here at the Slumber Yard, I sleep on a purple bed. Owen on our team sleeps on a purple bed. Even John behind the camera sleeps on a purple mattress. Right, John?
Yeah.
We love it over here, so I think you likely will too. You just kind of have to know what you're getting into feel-wise for this comparison. The Allswell Luxe presents a really safe, neutral hybrid feel, while the Purple Restore is intended to suit the needs of an adventurous mattress buyer. You just have to like something that's completely new and different, but also pretty comfy. Now, another main difference between these two is gonna come down to firmness. The Purple Restore is available in two different versions. They have a soft and a firm one. We over here at the Slumber Yard have their firm, and we would say it's right around a proper medium firm on our scale, give or take there. So it's gonna work for all sleeper types just fine, but it's probably gonna be a little bit firmer for back and stomach sleepers looking for a lot of support rather than pressure relief. Now, when you compare that firmness to the Allswell Luxe, which is only available in one flat firmness level, we would say it's right around a proper medium on our scale. So it should be a viable option for backside, stomach, and combination sleepers. However you like to sleep on a nightly basis, you should be pretty accommodated by going with this option. Firmness is a pretty subjective thing though. You may feel a mattress to be completely different from what I feel. So if you want another option firmness wise, both brands do have some ones for you to consider, some other mattresses. Allswell has the Allswell. It's one of the most affordable hybrid beds within the online space that's also super quality. That's gonna be a little bit softer for you. They also have the Brick, which is gonna be a little bit firmer. That's one of the firmest hybrid beds we've ever tried out over here. They have the Allswell Supreme, which is a super accommodating pillow top option, and the new Allswell Organic, which is a natural and organic option, which we hope to review very soon here. Now, Purple offers two other collections than the Premier, which is the one that the Purple Restore is located in. They have their Essential and their Luxe beds. The Essential collection contains their original purple mattress, which is one of the most accommodating purple beds we've ever tried out. It's right around a flat medium, and it's also an all foam option. And they even have their Luxe collection of mattresses with all the Rejuvenate beds. Those beds are super quality pillow top options, but they're also pretty pricey. We'll try to link all these other options from both brands down below in the description box. Now, both of these mattresses perform really solid in terms of edge support, motion isolation, and temperature regulation. But in terms of overall airflow that you're gonna be getting from these mattresses, I think the Purple Restore takes the cake. That GelFlex grid on top, since it's laid out in that grid format, there's little to no surface area and there's plenty of room for air to, circulate through this mattress. And when you move around on the Restore, you can kind of feel some of that air moving with you. So if you're a hot sleeper, this probably could be your choice between the two here. And the Allswell Luxe is pretty much gonna be a temperature neutral sleeping bed. That copper infused gel memory foam may help you out a little bit in regards to temperature regulation, but pretty much both are gonna be neutral across the board. No real active cooling features here. The main X factor for the Allswell Luxe is just how downright affordable it is for the quality, which leads me nicely into our pricing section for this video. So how much are you gonna be shelling out for either one of these options? Well, I should clarify right up top here that mattress pricing within this online space fluctuates. So we'll look one week and it's completely different from what we just saw. So check in the description box. We should have whatever is most current and up to date linked down there for you. But as of when I'm recording this video, you can expect to pay just shy of the $550 mark for a queen size Allswell Luxe, which is, pardon my French, a damn good deal. Usually hybrid beds that are really quality, of this quality, are priced around like $1,000. And so, lopping half of that price point off is a screaming deal. Now, you are gonna be spending quite a bit more on a queen size Purple Restore. That's just the nature of the beast here. This is a super quality and unique option from a reputable brand. So just know that as I mentioned this pricing. But for a queen size, it retails for right around the $2,300 mark MSRP. But Purple as a brand likes to offer some pretty nice cash discounts and gift bundles, usually around major holidays on this bed. So again, check in the description box to see what is most current and up-to-date price-wise. And hey, if you do want to use those discounts in our description box, you can save some money, but you can also help support us hardworking folks over here at the Slumber Yard. And we really appreciate any kickback or support you want to show us. But that is pretty much going to sum it up for this video. I would say look into the Allswell Luxe if you obviously want the more affordable option between these two. That's a supportive hybrid mattress around a medium with a neutral foam feel. And then check out the Purple Restore if you don't mind spending up for a really quality, unique feeling, supportive hybrid option that's available in two different firmness levels. And you maybe like the sound of that airflow advantage that this bed will probably provide you with. But that's just our take on it. What's yours? Which option are you gonna go with? The more affordable one, or the one with more bells and whistles with that unique feel? Rise down below in the comments because we wanna know what you guys are thinking when it comes to all this stuff. Online beds. Now, if you need any more information about online beds, we have a ton more stuff linked down below in the description box, so feel free to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, you maybe got something out of it and we helped you out towards your decision between these two, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel for so much more. We really appreciate your support, but that's gonna sum it up for today's comparison. I'm JD, that's John behind the camera.
Yay.
Sleep right, sleep tight. We'll see you next time, baby.
You've been watching my Slumber Yard. My Slumber Yard. My Slumber Yard. Slumber Yard. Come on now. My Slumber Yard. Like and subscribe.